you have only 500 subscribers on your YouTube channel, then you can also earn money from YouTube. Yes, that's true. I'm not joking. Earning money from YouTube have become so much easy right now. Every one of us know that we need 1000 subscribers for earning money from YouTube. But right now, that's not the only way. You can also earn money from YouTube if you have 500 subscribers on your YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys already know about this or not, but now I'm going to show you exactly how you can also get monetized on YouTube by completing only 500 subscribers. Now let's open our YT Studio app. I will show you the mobile screen here. So after opening the YT Studio app, you can see here lots of options: dashboard, content, analytics, community, and on. Click on the on option. So from you can see here, become a YouTube partner. YouTube partner means you are monetized and you can earn money from YouTube. So start your journey on income while connecting with your fans and gain access to support forums and creator tools. So this is how you can earn money from YouTube, from the memberships, from the supers, and the shopping. So there are the 4 criteria for earning money from YouTube while having only 500 subscribers. So the number 1 is you should have 500 subscribers, which is simple. After that, you can see here you need to upload 3 videos. Now if you have 500 subscribers and 3 video upload, then you need to complete one of the following between these. You need to complete either 3000 watch time hours or either 3 million short views. Both of them are little bit easier because 3000 watch time hour is less than the 4000 watch time hour, and another is 3 million short views in the last 90 days. If you upload shorts video regularly in a correct way and it gets viral, only one shorts video can also get 3 million views. If the shorts video have potential and get virals, only one shorts video can monetize your YouTube channel. These are the main criteria that you need to fulfill for earning money from YouTube. And after completing these criteria, the ways how you can earn money is from the membership. People can buy your membership of your channel. You can sell membership in certain amount of money, and this is how you can also earn money from YouTube. And another is supers. People can give super chat and super thanks on your comment section. If they like your video, then they can give money directly in the comment section of your videos and shorts or live. So this is how you can also earn money from people. And another is shopping. If you have some of your own product, then you can sell it on your YouTube channel. So this is how you can earn money from the people and the YouTube. And for this, you need only 500 subscribers and other criteria as well to complete, which is little bit easier and more easier than the previous times. I don't know if you already know about this thing or not, but I think this is a very important video for the small creator like you. So that's why I'm sharing this information. So that's it. Complete these easy criteria and start earning money from YouTube. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Stay subscribed and stay tuned.